As knoven te elderlei population in Israel fate seminglei simple challenges everyday, eating, bathing, dressing and maintaining personal hygiene. For manai, deze basic activities bekome a complex task dat is constant assistance, and often also harms ter sense of independence and personal dignity. However, beyond the bicycle difficulty, tere is a difficult economic reality. Manai of the elderlei live on love in chumis, and sometimes rely mainlei on disability benefits. As a result, advanced solutions that can significantly improve the reality of life, such as therapeutic robots, remain out of reach for most of them. And that is a same because therapeutic robots are not a literary, they are a reality-changing solution. They can ease the workload in the nursing industry, reduce the shortage of manpower, and most importantly, give the elderly independence, security and freedom in managing their daily routine. This is technologie dat gefacebookle bak de abiliteit to live with dignity. It is time to change their attitude. Introducing advanced therapeutic solutions, and in particular therapeutic robots, into the healthcare basket is not only a rigid social step, but also a smart investment in the healthcare system and society as a whole. In this way, we gaan ensure dat quality of life saving technologie wil not be preserve of only a few, but will be available to everyone who needs it. Because independence, dignity and quality of life are not a privilege. They are a basic recht.